If you're busy and barely have time to think about starting an online business, here's something that might surprise you. Some affiliates have earned over $50,000 by spending just 5 to 10 minutes a week on Facebook. That's possible because of ClickBank Super Funnel system. Instead of building complicated websites, writing endless emails, or figuring out how to sell products yourself, everything is done for you. The funnel is already built, the emails are written, and the webinars are automated. You don't need to be a tech expert, and you don't have to do any selling. All you do is direct people in the funnel, and it handles the rest. Building your email list and presenting high ticket offers that can pay you hundreds to thousands per sale. And the beauty of it is how little time it takes. One affiliate proved it by pulling in $50,000 with just a few minutes of effort per week. Others have gone even bigger, like the $500,000 in commissions earned by another member. So even if you're juggling work, family, and life, this system was designed to fit into your schedule. It's simple, automated, and proven. Click the link below to watch the free training and see how you can start earning even if you've only got a few minutes a week.